Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. I just wanted to come on real quick and share a couple cards that I made yesterday, and I was on some. I was on some. Yeah, I was on something. Uh, I was online with some friends, and they were doing things, random things, and they started to watercolor. And I am so happy that I'm done with all my projects, all my cards, my Christmas cards, and gifts for people. And now I have some time to play. And so I just got a stamp in the mail from AliExpress, and it is this. Oh shoot, you can't see it. Let me get a piece of paper. Um, I don't know if you can see it, but I thought I had a white piece of paper. Hold on here. Let me see. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So it is a bear on a swing, and I, I have this thing about bears, and this bear I fell in love with when I found these other two bears, but I don't think they're from the same artist. Um, so I stamped him out on watercolor paper, and this is what I came up with. And I posted this on my Instagram already yesterday because I was very impressed with myself. Um, I used the Artist Loft watercolors, which is not fancy by all means. This is really cheap watercolor paper. They're not the best. A friend told me that cold press watercolor paper is the best to use. And I'm the type of person that if I'm not good at something, I'm not gonna spend the money on it until I feel more comfortable in doing it. And I am not a great colorer. I try to do my best. Like I could have gone back in there and put some more um, shadowing and things like that. But when you're watercoloring, you try not to over wet it. And some parts of it I sort of did. That's why the paper warped. So, there are a lot of things that I could have done better with this image. I use Memento ink, which is great for watercoloring, alcohol inking, or alcohol coloring. I added a twine, some paper from my stash, and a die that I also got from AliExpress. And I just watercolored it, and I thought it was really cute. And then, I added some of the paper in the background inside. But I really love how it turned out. I'm not very good at it, but I know in time, if I practice enough, I'll get better. So that was that stamp. And then this one I actually had for a while. And it is a bear with a present. And I, I just love bears. So I stamped this one out as well. And let me show you my card that I made. I watercolored this with the same Artist Loft, and then I'm not sure if I bought, I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of shimmery. It has a watercolor shimmer palette, and I'm not sure if I got it at Michael's or what, or somebody gave me a set. I can't remember, but I watercolored him, and I really love how it turned out, and it's very shimmery, as you can tell. I used some glitter paper, red glitter paper in the background. This is a new die that I just got, May Your Christmas Sparkle, and paper doily in the background, some paper from a Pebbles paper pack, and that's it. So I really love how these two cards came out, and I'm going to show you a couple more dies, not dies, but stamps that I got from Ally. This is like a way back when I got this one, and here's a bear carrying some presents, and I just love how these bears are very unique. I always thought that, you know, they're just so different. And they're kind of fuzzy, and, you know, I really like it. So that was one. And I think a lot of us bought this bear way back when. And I just think he's simply adorable. So, you know, if I keep watercoloring, you may see that on another project. But and then here's another bear with a macaron and a cherry. So he is just adorable. I just can't help it. I love these bears. Well, everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions about these stamps, just let me know. I'll try to find where I found them on Ally and share a link. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day. Have a great week. It's, my gosh, it's 5 days before Christmas. Oh my gosh. So thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.